Okay, this is going to be a demonstration on how we remove the old inner tube and we can replace it with a new one. The skids are designed to open up on this end where the valve stem is. You grab underneath and you pull out this flap. And then you grab the tube and you just slide it out. Okay, now we're going to put the new inner tube in. It's a 26-inch inner tube. When the inner tube comes out of the package, the valve stem is on the inside, and we have to turn it to where the valve stem sticks on the outside. See how the valve stem is on the inside? You take the inner tube and you turn it around where the valve stem sticks out, like so. Then you would get a stick, a broomstick, or some type of stick. You want to make sure when you push it in there that the inner tube is on both sides evenly. Now we're going to just slide this inside of it. You want to make sure that it's all the way to the bottom. And then your valve stem comes out just like that. Once it's all the way in bottom, slide the stick out. And then you would tuck this right underneath the inner tube, back where it belongs. Once it's in place, you want to put a little air pressure in it so you can make sure the inner tube is in there perfectly. Put a small amount of air in it, and then you just kind of push it around, fill that inner tube, make sure it's on both sides, just like that, and it's in place. And that's how you replace the inner tube inside of it. Now it's like new.